Alright, welcome back to my channel. In this channel today I want to show us how Forsage X3 and X4 works, how Forsage X3 and X4 works, and how you can actually make money from it. Okay, this is X3 and this is X4. Okay, X4 is a 2x2 matrix that has 12 levels, while X3 is a 3x1 matrix that has also 12 levels. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you how these two board works and how you can actually benefit from them. So if you're coming across my channel for the first time, please do what to subscribe, hit the subscription button and click the notification button, that is the bell icon, so you can always get a notification each time I drop a new video. Okay, so this welcome to Forsage. Alright, in this account, okay, this is Forsage account. I'm going to start with the X3, then I'm going to explain the X4 and how you can make money on both platforms. Okay, this account has referred 5 persons. This ID has referred directly 5 persons. Alright, and this ID so far has made 0.87 Ethereum, which based on current value right now $209. Okay, and like I said, the X3 is a 3x1 matrix, which means 3 persons in one level, just 3 in your level. And once you come on board, once you sign up in Forsage, what you actually need to sign up in Forsage is 0.05, which is 0.05 Ethereum, to register as a member in Forsage. Once you sign up, the system will create X3 0.0 level 1 bot for you account and X4 0.02 level 1 account for you. That means once you sign up in Forsage, you have X4 bot here level 1 and X3 level 1 account being opened for you. Okay, so what do you need to do to actually start making money in X3 and X4 at the same time? Or you need to start referring people. Okay, once you bring in the first person in X3, once you sign up anybody, the person comes under here and pay you. Okay, so the person pays you 0.025 Ethereum. Alright, so whoever you sign up pays you 0.05 Ethereum. When you sign up the second person pays you another 0.25 Ethereum. Okay, once the first 2 here pays you, you are done. This third person here will not pay you. This third person will pay your upline to make this account open again. Alright, so once this person comes here, this person, instead of paying you, this person will pay your upline to open this board again. Like you can see, this board is empty. This particular level has cycled 3 times. That is why you are seeing this 3 here. That means this level has cycled 3 times. We have filled this space 3 times. Okay, so once you get the third person here, the person pays your upline, and so you have this account open up, this board level open up again for you to earn again. So if you register a new person here, the person comes here and pay you again. You register another new person, the person comes here and pay you. The third person pays your upline to open this board again. As you upgrade, the same thing happens here. You get paid 0.05 by the first person that upgrades here. You get paid 0.05 again by the second person. The third person here pays your upline to open this place again, just like this place is also empty. So you could keep recycling and keep making this money over and over. That means on this level, you'll be making 0.05 times 2, just these 2 person. Each time it cycles, you are making 0.1, and this one you are making 0.05 each time it cycles. Okay, so you keep making that money over and over and over and over again as it keeps cycling. Like this one has cycled 3 times. This one, once the third person comes there, this one will cycle the first time, and this place opens up again for more money to come to you. So that is how the X3 works. Now in X3, you don't enjoy spillover. all the people your upline that falls from your upline or from your downline do not pay you in X3, Forsage X3, okay? They pay you in X4. I'm going to explain that in S4 when I scroll down to S4. So basically in S3, you get S3 are those you refer directly. They are the ones that will pay you in S3. Those people you refer directly. That is why you see here you have 5 people, okay? You have 5 people here. So that is actually how it works. Alright, so S3 are people you refer directly that will pay you, and as they upgrade, they keep paying you. As they upgrade, as they also cycle and have new account, they also come back to you. Alright, so as they are cycling out, they are coming back to you. As they are cycling out, they are also coming back to you, because it's a follow your sponsor kind of metrics. Alright, now let's quickly look at the X4. Now this is 2x2 metrics. The first 2 people here do not pay you, okay, in S4. This 1, 2 here don't pay you. This one do not pay you. This one. They pay your upline. The first 2 at the top here pays your upline, okay? Now you get paid from these 4 persons. Now, but out of these 4 persons, you get paid from the 3. So you get paid by this man, you get paid by this man, you get paid by this man. This 4th person here will pay your upline to reopen this place again, just like in S3. So you keep earning from this. So which basically means on this level you'll be earning 0.075 each time it cycles out. Like this one has cycled once, okay, and this one too has cycled once. So here these ones pay your upline, and this 3 here pays you. The last person here pays your upline to reopen this level again. So this place becomes empty again for you to keep earning again and again and again. Same thing applies to this place. You earn from these levels. Now if you want to earn referral from your upline, you want to earn from spillovers from your upline or downline, this is where you now buy higher positions, okay? I've missed 0.02 on this level. That's why you are seeing this sign. I missed this because I did not upgrade, and one of my downline actually upgraded to this level, okay? So I missed that bonus. Alright, so that's why you are seeing this yellow stuff here. So for you to enjoy spillovers from your uplines, from your downlines, you need to buy higher positions, position yourself, buy higher positions, and you enjoy spillovers, okay? For example, you fall under this place on your upliners board, okay? So all the people that your upliners that will come under here will fill under you automatically, and when those downliners also bring, you also get paid from the work of the ones that come from the top and the ones that come from the bottom, which means in this business both the upline and the downlines are working for each other, okay? So it's a win-win business opportunity. So if you want to really make money in Forsage, you need to come on board, then buy higher positions in X4, okay, where you enjoy massive spillovers, okay? You enjoy spillovers. In S3 you don't enjoy spillovers. X3 only pays you from the people you personally sponsor, okay? Like for example, let me show you this one. All these 5 people here are spillovers from my upline, okay? All these 5 people here, they are all spillovers from my upline, okay? So you can buy higher position, you also enjoy spillovers. That is also how you can make money. So in Forsage, when you see people saying they are making thousands of dollars from Forsage, this is how they buy higher positions and they enjoy massive spillovers, and each time this account cycles, they keep making that money on each of these levels over and over. Once this last person comes here, this one cycles the second time. You see 2 here, and this account opens up again just like this ones to receive more, another pay again. So that is how it was. You keep earning on each level over and over and over and over again. Imagine when these levels, each of these levels cycles out at least every week. You know how much you'll be making, okay? So that is how you make money through Forsage. You can make money by recruiting people. You can also make money through buying higher positions on X4, okay? So basically that is how this business works. Alright, so in case you want to come on board and you want to join my team, you are free to do that. Just look at the WhatsApp link below this video on the description page and join the group, and we'll guide you through the process. You start making your own money. You can see this account has made over $200 just in less than 2 weeks. Okay, so you can see that, and you can see how spillovers here has actually helped this account to make some good money. So this is how this business works. It's a teamwork. It's not something you do alone. It's something, if you are ready to make money and you are willing to put in the work, then you are free to join my team. You click on the notification or check the description page of this video. You see our WhatsApp group link. Join the group or chat me privately on WhatsApp. Then I'll guide you through your registration process. Thank you very much and wish to see you on board.